Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Rashida here in case you're new to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to give you this house tour of my house away from home. I hope you guys you enjoy this video and I hope you watch this video up to the end. So without talking that much, let us start the house tour. So guys, this is the main entrance of our building. Between I've done the video at night, it's night time, you see, it's night time, and this is the main entrance of our building. Okay, from the main entrance we have the elevator. Okay. The elevator, and in the elevator we are at level 1. From there we are at the first floor. You see this, and this is our house. So you're welcome. It's the main door of the house, and this is where we keep our shoes. These are my indoor shoes, then the rest are for my husband, then these ones are mine. I wear these ones when I'm going anywhere. So that's the main entrance. From the main entrance, when you stand here, you'll see the living room. Here we have a phone in the sockets for that light over there. Yeah, okay, from the main entrance, the first thing you'll see, it's the kitchen. Sorry about that, it's the kitchen. Guys, I already did the video when I'm cleaning this kitchen. First day I came here, the following day I did the cleaning of the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Here we have the gas cooker. It's a gas cooker, then oven. Then over here we have the gas cylinder. Then here we have fire something. I've forgotten the name, but I know it is used in case of emergency for fire. I've forgotten how it's called. Then over here we have those kitchen towels. We have this. Between my husband has a roommate. This house, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, so he has a roommate. So that water is for his roommate. Then over here we have our sink, the dish rack. I've just done the dishes. That's why you see the plates and everything there. So I need to arrange. Then over there we have the cooking pots, the percolator, then the blender. Then there, I won't show what's in those cabinets and over here because already I did this video about the kitchen, so I'm just going to show you around. So guys, this is the kitchen. The kitchen is small, but since it's a few people who live here, I think it's just enough for them. So this is the kitchen. From there we go straight to the living room. I love how organized this living room is. Okay, the first thing you'll see is this dining table. It's black in color. You see guys, that's the dining table. This is where we eat our food from. Then over here we have our sofa sets or the seaters. This is a 1-seater over there. Then that's a 2-seater. Then this side we have a 2-seater, and in the middle we have a coffee table. Yeah, we have a coffee table. His roommate does shisha. That's why you see that the coffee table is damaged. Yeah, and down there we have a center carpet. Then over here we have that light. Yeah, that's my husband's laptop, so I'm using it to watch myself on YouTube. Yeah, so over there we have a small table in that light, and over here we have the curtains, and up there we have the AC. Guys, we are in Qatar, and Qatar is so hot, so AC ebere ekolawo. So you see guys, this is our living room. Then over there we have those two fridge for the roommate. That's the roommate's deep freezer. Then the fridge, I won't open his fridge for privacy. Yeah. Then over here we have a TV. You see guys, I'm watching myself. It's a 40-inch. Then here the connection for the TV, then the internet, everything. Then over here we have a TV stand. Then this side we have our fridge. Yes guys, this is our fridge, or my husband's fridge. Okay, let me show you what we have in here, since it's our fridge. Okay, in the fridge we have those packs of shrimps, the ice maker. Then we have those fish. Then down here we have the packed chips. Then in that black bag there is chicken, which I got from Uganda. Then this bottle here, bottles there them Nigeria. Okay. And then down here we have omuzigo ogumu guli spiced, omulala temuli. Then here we have leftovers, the eggs. Then down there in those boxes, those are leftovers. Here we have, in that black kavera, I think it's katunkuma. Then in the white kavera, it's my okra. Then the vinegar. Then down here we have matoke, the onions, the tomatoes. Yeah, then here we have the garlic, the tomato paste, then the juice, milk. Yeah, so that's it about our fridge. So I had to open our fridge. This is ours. The other one is for the roommate and his freezer. Then this side, it's the roommate's washroom. So I'm not going to open his washroom for privacy. Then this side, let me show you. Then over here we have the washing machine, the cleaning products, the bridge, the hand wash, the shower gel, everything we use in the bathroom, the toothpaste, our toothbrush, the washing machine. Yeah, so that's it. And over here we have our shower gloves, and down here we have the bucket, and there we have the sink, then there the shower. Yeah, the shower. Then over this side we have the toilet, the mopper, the detergent in a second bucket, then the doormat. So guys, that's it about our washroom. Then over here we have the bedrooms. I told you it's a 2-bedroom apartment. Yeah, that's for the roommate. You know me guys, to me bedrooms are private things, so I'm not going to show you the bedrooms, but that's for his roommate. And this is our bedroom. but I'm not going to show you what's inside there. Then this side from the bedroom, you get the view of the dining. Then you walk to the living room, guys. You see how organized my husband is. It's the boys or the men who live here, but I'm happy that at least they are clean. They try their best to clean their area. So guys, that's it about my second home away from home. Let me hope you have enjoyed this video, and let me hope you watch the video up to the end. In case you have enjoyed, please help me subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment down below. I'll say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.